Okay, hello guys. We meet again, and it's me, Sidki. You can call me Sidki. And now you will spend 3 minutes time of your day to see this video on this channel if you are. This is the next part of review about earphone Bluetooth I buy in TikTok. I think yeah, here's a lamp. It's so cool. I think. Fire lamp is. How about? Yeah, it's work. Okay, and I think this in previous video I said this in previous video I said this trio the what 305, but I think this 3.5 under 5. Okay, and the name is, what's the name? M90 Pro. Okay, M90 Pro. Okay, and I think this what the name? Bluetooth earphone, and this have a power bank too in here. And what's again? And this this have effective distance is 10 meter to 15 meter. I think that's so good. Okay, and what must I review again? And we have cable charger, and what's the name? Earbuds. Yeah, that's. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching. See you soon, and goodbye. And this is my 3-minute video. Okay, goodbye.